Whether you're creating tutorials or you're looking to host videos on your website or you're simply creating content for your audience, choosing the right platform is important. Hence why I've created this tutorial where I will be comparing 4 of the biggest names when it comes onto recording: Vimeo, Wistia versus Loom versus Tella. All 4 platforms solve a different problem. So in this tutorial, we'll be breaking down which platform is best for the type of content creator that you are, or business owner or entrepreneur. And we'll also be breaking down the pricing, features, and so much more. So be sure to stick around until the end. And if you're wondering which one of these platforms I'm using to record this tutorial, I'm using Tella. And I'll be leaving a link in the description and pinned comment which will allow you to get a big discount and also a free trial if you would like to explore it. Now let's dive in. What is Vimeo? Vimeo is a professional video hosting platform built for creators, businesses, and brands who need clean, ad-free playback. With Vimeo, you get high-quality video hosting, password protection, private links and embeds, customizable video players, and also live streaming and analytics and team collaboration. Vimeo is perfect if you need a ad-free alternative, especially for videos, online courses, or creative portfolios. Now, what is Wistia? Wistia is a marketing-focused video hosting platform made for businesses that want to turn videos into leads. With Wistia, you can add email capture forms inside your videos, add a call to action and chapter marker, track viewer heat maps, integrate with CRM like HubSpot, Salesforce, and ActiveCampaign, and also host webinars with Wistia Live. Wistia is for people who treat video as part of their sales and marketing funnel, not just content hosting. And on the other hand, what is Loom? Loom is arguably one of the most popular screen recorders. With Loom, you'll be getting screen recording and communication tool, which is perfect for teams and educators. With Loom, you can record your screen and camera with one click. You will also be able to share instantly via link. You can add transcripts, comments, and reactions, and also organize videos in team workspaces. Loom is built for internal communication, feedback, training, and async collaboration, not public video hosting. And last but definitely not least, Tella. What is Tella? Tella is a beautiful browser and app-based screen recorder. In fact, Tella is the platform that I'm using now to create this tutorial. I would say that it is a creator-friendly video editor. Think of Loom meets Canva. With Tella, you'll be able to record your screen and webcam in a styled layout. You'll also be able to add backgrounds, transitions, branding, and you can also re-record clips instantly. And you can export to vertical, square, or YouTube-ready format. Tella is perfect for creators, SaaS founders, coaches, and course builders who want fast, polished videos without editing software. For example, this is how the Tella dashboard looks. With Tella, you have 2 options. If you don't want to install the app, you could simply tap on record once on tella.tv and you'll be able to use their browser option. But I would recommend that you get the app. Once you have done that, you can start your recording. And after you have recorded, let's say for example, I would like to edit this video. I'll simply select the video, tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, it is going to load up. And then from there, editing is quite easy, as Tella has a built-in AI feature that will allow you to find any mistakes. So you can simply go over to the top right hand corner. From there, you can select cut. Then after doing that, you could select find mistakes, and the AI will find mistakes. You can remove silent spots and buffers. So Tella is beginner friendly, and I would definitely recommend it if you are planning to do tutorials or any type of YouTube videos like what I am doing now. Now let's talk about the core differences of this platform. Starting with Vimeo. Vimeo is a professional video hosting for websites and creatives, while Wistia, on the other hand, is focused on marketing and analytics for businesses, and Loom, I would say, is for internal communication for teams, and I would say that Tella is perfect as it is a polished content creation for tutorials and social media. So if you want hosting, I would recommend that you choose Vimeo or Wistia. If you want recording, you can choose either Loom or Tella. And if you want creator-friendly editing, I would recommend that you choose Tella. And if we were to compare them via ease of use, Vimeo is straightforward for hosting and sharing, but not built for quick recording, while Wistia on the other hand is powerful but has more marketing tools to learn, which is better for teams, not beginners. And Loom is the easiest tool here, as all you need to do is click record, send link, and done. While Tella is also simple but gives you more style and control over your recording and editing. So easiest for teams, I would definitely say, is Loom. And if we were to say easiest for creators, I would give Tella that crown. And easiest for hosting is definitely Vimeo. And if we were to compare them, for example, let's say Vimeo's strengths, when it comes down to Vimeo, it is an ad-free hosting platform. It provides private embeds, course, portfolio, and website videos. It also offers live streaming, which is perfect for creators, membership sites, and brands. And the strengths of Wistia are lead capture forms, call to actions and heat maps, sales and marketing analytics, CRM integration, which is perfect for marketers, SaaS companies, and agencies. And if we were to talk about the strengths of Loom, lightning fast screen recording, team comments and reactions, perfect for async communication, and it is great for teams, teachers, developers, and remote workers. And if we were to talk about the strengths of Tella, Tella offers beautiful layouts and backgrounds, quick click-based editing, and it is perfect for YouTube, TikTok, and tutorials, ideal for creators, founders, and educators. And if we were to look at the pricing, starting with Vimeo, you can get started for as low as $20, and it can go up to $125. With Wistia, you can get started for completely free, and their paid plan begins at $19 and it can go up to $319. With Loom, you can also get started for completely free, and their paid plan begins at $15 and it can go up to $20. And with Tella, you can also get started for free. Their paid plan begins at $19 per month and it can go up to $26 per month. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know, and thank you for watching.